Good morning. Good morning. Day number 4. Getting stronger by the minute, and the sun is shining so beautiful. We all need a little bit of sunshine. My grandchildren are in the background watching TV, and they give me such joy. Smile today if you feel like it, because we can't smile every day. But try it. You are worth everything. You are worth it. Keep telling yourself that. And I know it's hard, especially after 13 full years or longer. Even if you lost someone, grief of a marriage, a relationship, a person, it all doesn't feel so good. I'm learning to smile again.